All right, here is our next example for diamonds. Remember what we're doing here. I'm giving you an equation and you are going to fill out all these other missing pieces. So our equation is y equals negative 2x plus 10. Let's start with our table. Remember, what is my starting value? My starting value for this one is 10. How we put that in the table, you always put 0 in the x and then 10 in the y. Your x values are always going to go 0, 1, 2, 3. But my y values, what is my rate of change? Well, my rate of change now is a little different. It's the number next to x, and it's negative 2. Negative 2 means going down by 2. So if I start at 10, if I'm going down by 2, my next number is 8. I go down by 2 again, it's 6. Down by 2 again, it's 4. Okay, so going down by 2 every time. And there my table is done, just like that. Starting value, and then how is it changing? All right, let's make the graph. So I'm going to get rid of my old graph from the last example, and then always start with putting in the equation y equals negative 2x plus 10. Here's my equation. And then remember, we're also going to put in 3 of our points. So I'm going to pick 0, 10, parentheses 0, comma 10. That's my first point. 1, 8. So parenthesis 1, comma 8. And then my last one here is going to be 2, comma 6. Each one on its own line, and I only need the graph 3. Double check, make sure all 3 of your points are on the line. If they are, that means your table is right, and now your graph is right. Okay, let's get this graph over into our diamond. Remember, we're going to follow the arrows. First one's up here in the corner. Here's my next arrow, and then all you have to do is click and drag it over into your diamond. My graph is done. Okay, let's do my picture. Always start with the word first. Or I'm sorry, the word start. That's my fault. The word start. My starting value is 10, so we need to make 10 of something, right? I'm going to do the @ symbol. I'm going to put 10 of them. Now I'm going to say first, and hopefully you should ask yourself, how many should I have now? Well, I'm going down by 2. After my first time, I had 8. So now I'm going to do 8 @ symbols. And you can visually see how it's decreasing. Then lastly, second, I'm going to have 6. Okay, so there's my picture. Last part is the words. Make it super easy on yourself. Always start with a name. I'm going to say Anna, and the starting value is 10. So Anna had 10. Now I'm going to say that she had $10. Okay, that's my first sentence. Second sentence is what's happening to those dollars. So remember, they're going down. What kind of sentence could you say that she's losing to? So I'm going to actually say that exactly. She loses $2 every week. Okay? So make sure your words are saying that it's going down. She loses $2.